very well. This is a drone constructed by a Biafran. Yes, the rotors are turning. This is a drone constructed by a Biafran, by name Arizona. Watch the guy. That's the Biafran guy that constructed the drone. You're going to see the drone fly now. It's flying. It is flying. It is flying. This was not constructed by Americans. It was not constructed by Europeans or by Asians. This was actually constructed from foundation, from beginning to this flying stage by a Biafran. A Biafran by name Arizona.
This is the GPS phone.
Yes, it's funny now. Watch out. You can see it is hovering now. Yeah, this is Arizona engineering. Aeronautics engineer. Arizona aeronautic engineer. And the drone is flying. The drone is flying. The drone is flying. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. The drone is actually flying now. You can see it. You can see the drone flying. The drone is flying high. Watch it out. That's taking off. So far. So far. That's the guy flying it. That's the guy flying it. That is it. That is it. A drone built by a Biafran. Watch it out. See how people are marveling. People are marveling. Everybody is captivated. Everybody is captivated. It is not easy. It is not easy to build a home-constructed drone that actually flies. They want to bring it down. The GPS is stable, very, very stable. Watch it. Very, very stable. You can see how it is hovering. Yes. It's actually demonstrating how you can be able to control it. Yeah, bring it down, land it. Land it. Yes, that's the landing. Very smooth landing. Man, that's the guy. I want you to get a good view of the guy. This is the guy that built it. He's a Biafran. Arizona, please introduce yourself, please.
Yes, this is my UAV. I built this. This is my newest quadcopter. It's called S500 with GPS module in it. You can see the drone actually. It was not an easy task. I really found it.
Please, by any means, are you an aeronautic engineer?
No. I read computer science.
You read?
Computer science.
Computer science?
Yes.
Which school did you attend, please?
Federal University of Technology, Owerri,
Futo.
Yes.
How did you come to start building something like this, please?
Yes, actually.
They want to off something. You can see it. Even children are amazed. See how everybody is watching it? People are amazed. People admire it. People like what is happening. People like it. They know the worth of what has been built here. They know it is not easy. So please, you are flying again. How did you begin to build something like this?